The art of weathering can transform any model into a realistic version of the real thing. In modern times, generally the railways are quite clean. However, even the cleanest of rolling stock gets dirty with brake dust, track grime and exhaust fumes. In part 4 of this series, sponsored by TMC The Model Centre, Mike shows us how to weather a pair of LNER Class 43 HSTs, including the entire reg of coaching stock, to appear as they looked toward the end of their careers in 2019. Join us as we present Weathering Modern Traction, exclusive to premium members of KeyModelWorld.com.
Look great, don't they? It's Howard Smith here from the Model Centre. I hope you're enjoying this lovely series on weathering models. But if weathering isn't your forte, and let's face it, it isn't everybody's particular cup of tea, all the different implements that you might need and the skill and the practice, well, we can do it for you at the Model Centre. If you take a look at our website, you'll see the full range of models that we stock, and believe me, it is very large. And we'll customise any particular model to your exacting standards, whether that's choosing from our variety of finishes to a custom finish that you can select on checkout. Simply send us a photograph of the exact locomotive and how you would like us to depict it, and our talented workshop staff, well, they'll deliver. If you'd like more details and information, check out themodelcentre.com.
Introducing Key Model World, your new online destination for everything railway and scale modelling. Featuring exclusive videos and features, unseen images, step-by-step guides, railway history and the latest news. Plus, it's home to our full layout build series.
I'm going to stop you right there though, because I didn't do this. This is all you're doing.
Join us for the latest content from Key Publishing's modelling titles, Hornby Magazine and Airfix Model World. Sign up today for as little as £3.75 per month, or if you're a magazine subscriber, bolt Key Model World onto your subscription package now. For more details, visit KeyModelWorld.com.